What is up, Diecasters, and welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long time, I've been missing for 2 months, but I'm back again with some amazing news and some amazing castings to bring you the best content from the diecast world. So starting off with, this year is been a pretty amazing year and a lot of new amazing diecast collectibles are coming out, and we see all the brands are being very competitive and coming up with amazing designs. And let's look into some amazing cars that we have for this year and cars to be released within the next few months. So starting off with our first brand after a long time, we are gonna look at Mini GT, because Mini GT is actually coming up in the competitive game, and they have been putting out a lot of amazing models for the last few months. So we are starting up with a few JDMs for this year, and man, it's gonna be pretty interesting. First off, we are going to talk about two massive JDM monsters which are coming out by Mini GT, and these are none other than the GTR R35s. So talking about these two specific models, these are coming out in limited editions, so both will be limited up to 5,000 pieces worldwide. So talking about the two models that we have, amazing decals, I must say amazing decals. And so we have at first the Liberty Walk Nissan GTR R35 Type 2, which is the Liberty Walk Kuma Graffiti, limited to 5,000 pieces. And we have the LB Silhouette Works GT Nissan GTR R35, the Purple Metallic, which is also limited to 5,000 pieces worldwide. And man, can't wait to have these two pieces in our YouTube channel, and I'll definitely be doing a review on both of these as soon as they arrive. So moving on to the next, we have another model. Most of y'all might know this fact, but for the people who don't know about it, Mini GT releases their models, their main lines, in batches, and they come out as 3 cars, 4 car sets and 5 car sets. So they are releasing up their 5 car sets, which was announced last week, and they're coming up with 5 different models and some amazing interesting models and castings which we have. At first we have the Ford GT GTLM test car from 2015, and we have the Bentley Continental GT 2020 GP Ice Race Edition. This is an interesting casting, and look at that casting, the print on that car is amazing. And moving on, we have the Acura NSX, the GT3 Evo, and this is also from Racing 2020 IMSA, the 24-hour Daytona Championship. And next we have the Ford GT Liquid Blue. So Liquid Blue is actually one of the main color codes for Ford GTs, and this is coming in with 2 white strips in the middle. And also we have the all-time favorite Pandem Toyota GT Supra in the matte grey. Some interesting castings to look up to, and I'm sure most of you all are ready to grab these, so I'll be putting the Mini GT link below down in the description. Another crazy news coming all the way from Mini GT is that they're releasing their very first Vespa 150 GL collection, which is actually a bike. So they're coming up with their new scooter release, and best part about this is these also 1/64 scale, and you also get an interchangeable figure. So different type of figures with different color codes, different models of scooters and bikes. So hopefully they haven't still mentioned a release date, but hopefully we will be able to get it by mid or the end of this year. And now for the grand finale. Okay, so this is a model that everyone's been waiting for, and this is the first time that this is coming out, and this is pretty hyped up. Yes, this is the GT Bugatti Vision Gran Turismo Edition, and this is coming in the original blue color code, and man, look at the details of that. So this is set to be released by the end of this year, but they haven't specifically mentioned a date. But yes, it's definitely going to be on our channel, and I will be definitely be doing a review on that as well. So this is actually a prototype sample which they have put out, and this is confirmed, this is definitely coming out, and definitely gonna be a hyped up model for this year. And at last, for Mini GT, they finally announced for their rally fans their very first rally edition, and the model is yet to be designed, and I'm not actually sure about what this model is, but I will look into it and I will let you guys know what the model is. And this is actually a prototype and they haven't released their casting design as well. So we will be keeping you guys updated on each and every model that is to be come out. So that is it for today, and hopefully we will be able to see new releases coming up very soon to our channel, and we are coming up with the greatest and the latest news for you guys at first, and hope to see you guys on the next video very soon.